What's going on, fellow CRT peeps? Got a quick little, tool that is really beneficial. And it's something that might make your lives easier. Some of you might be familiar with it because you're already using it or you've already integrated it into your work. Some might not be familiar with it. So I'm going to go through a quick little explanation of what it is and how it can be useful, well, for us in our daily tasks, right? So the program is DocHub. DocHub. I've already had it pre-approved for the county, so you can add it to your Chrome tools or what have you. You guys know how to add it to your Chrome to the toolbox. But DOCHUB, all one word, and it's already been pre-approved. I used it in my classroom when I was a teacher, and I still find it very helpful and useful today. So let's roll forward. Let me change the scene here. So I have a task that I'm actually going to do live as I'm recording here and kind of demonstrate how this kind of works. All right, I am in my monthly, monitoring folder, my monitoring documents, and I have a couple of expenditure requests that I need to put in for the rest of March, along with the approval, the request approval from Mr. Atkins. So I'm going to go ahead and load the document here. I'm going to take the school improvement, and I want to open with DocHub, PDF, sign, and edit. And of course, it's a cloud application, so it doesn't install anything. We already kind of went over that. And here, we got a couple different things. Obviously, you can change the name up here as you see fit or as you need to. Sometimes if you put a document on Google Drive and you rename it via Google Drive and using the Google platform, it might come up with the original document here, a document name, which is kind of confusing. So you want to make sure it's whatever you want to have there in this area itself. I'm pointing over here like you can see it, well, whatever. All right. So we have here School Improvement March. I already have quite a few things taken care of, but I'm going to go ahead and launch the page control so I can get to the sort window here. All right. Now this program isn't perfect. All right. Because there are some little, glitches it has every once in a while. Alrighty. But I'm going to go here to the end. This was an approval for an event we had, but I have 3 different expenditure requests I need to take care of. So I'm going to go ahead and get those on here. All right, so I'm going to hit the add button. I'm going to merge and insert a file. And then of course it's coming from my drag and drop your files anywhere. So I can go straight to right over here. And let's do the first one, which was, let's see, that was Ed Fair. Let's do Fast Night, because that's an important one. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. It's going to automatically insert 6 pages after page number 31, which is exactly where I want it. You can do it before or after, your choice. I'm going to go ahead and insert. All right, there we go. And then we're going to do that again without the approval. This is one of the things I want to show you, right? We're going to do it again, merge and insert for, let's do the calculators next. Let's see, TI-30XA. Again, after page number 37, insert. And then, of course, way down here, I'm going to merge and insert one more. And we're going to do from Top Shelf Imaging. You guys have heard from this guy, I'm sure. Oh, wait a minute. It did not like that. So we're going to try that again. Let's try that again. Huh. Well, I'll fix that later. Let's just do these 2. All right. So now I'm thinking, oh, good. These are in here. All right, they're waiting, and okay, we got the approval from Mr. Atkins. Let's go ahead and note these accordingly. Well, I don't want to put the approval in, and if you guys have tried to do this with like using other platforms, it can be kind of convoluted and complex, especially with Adobe that you got to pay a premium for, or even trying to use and render things out through Microsoft Word, and you're just like, this is taking forever. Then I get straight text and it just looks all garbled, right? So yeah, let's go back over here. And oopsie, on this one, page 37, and then in my downloads, I have the approvals. So let's see, that was for toner request, another expenditure. This one, the 819 request for FSA Fast Night. There we go. And I'm going to merge and insert this guy into there. So merge and insert file. 819. There we go. After page 37. And boom, there's his request approval. Alrighty. And I'm going to do the same thing again here for our calculators. Let's go ahead and get to those calculators. There it is. So merge and insert these calculators, and boom, there we go. Insert. All right, now everything is set, but we haven't saved it yet. Okay, this isn't live on our Google Drive yet. And there's some other creative other things in here too that you could use. Examples. Say like you wanted to redact something, and maybe you put a sensitive document up and you're trying to preserve the student names and you didn't want to have that in there. Well, you could use the erase tool to erase something, all right? So just literally if I wanted to erase that, it's like whiting it out. You can move it wherever you want to, all right? And then, of course, you could delete anything. You could add text super easy. So if I wanted to add something like, yay, this is neat, boom, you could do that, all righty? Now, it doesn't save on your Google Drive until you tell it to, all right? So I'm going to go over here to, oh, we got my window. I got to move my window. Move over here to download. And of course, I could download straight to the computer. I could go straight to my Google Drive, which is what I'm going to do. And Google Drive lets me do two things. I could either create a new document, right, or update the existing. Well, yeah, I'm going to update the existing, so I'm just going to export it to the drive. And it's working. And the cool thing is that at any point, right, once I get my delivery notifications, like from Amazon, and I print out the receipts and the pricing and log it and initial that I received it, I can just simply scan it with my quick scan, save this PDF, and then just add it using that same process. All right. So boom, there you go. I hope this is helpful. I hope this was enlightening, and I hope something picked up something a little bit awesome from this. And again, the idea is not work smart, not hard. It is like my poster says up there, work hard and smart. All right, we'll see you later on.